Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in as yourself. Do this now so settings reflect your account. Once signed in, go straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and select Security and Login. This section centralizes 2FA controls. You want to find two-factor authentication and choose Manage or Edit. This is the first actionable step that exposes saved methods. If you can't reach settings, try desktop mode or the official app. Those paths both lead to the same controls. Once in two-factor authentication, select authentication methods and choose to add or change an email-based method. Facebook may label it email or recovery email. You'll enter the new address and Facebook will immediately send a verification code. Open that email, copy the numeric code, and paste it back to confirm. Make sure to keep your old method active until verification succeeds. This prevents lockout. After confirmation, remove the old email if you no longer want it attached to 2FA. To finish, confirm the updated email in two-factor authentication and then test the change by signing out and signing back in. During login, choose the email option and make sure the code arrives. If you don't get the email, use backup recovery codes or another registered method to regain access, and then re-attempt the email update. If neither works, check spam folders, email filters, and contact Facebook, help from a logged-in device, or use their account recovery flow to resolve delivery problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.